Bury the beaver. What the fuck? Bury the beaver.
Fucking Charlie mode on the back of that motherfucker.
Hey, I told him they had a pot of gold at the end of it. That's why he's doing it. First oil change, you're doing the break-in. You're doing the break-in. That's how it's supposed to be.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Hey, dude, I just put 2
About
hours
to be my
on it.
third motor on a bike that's a year and a half old.
Says it like that.
You don't know what it means. It says it right here.
Yes.
Well, how you know it means the same thing? You might be right.
Hey, in the pipe! With the beer, with the
Hey, it be like this.
That's for him. He doesn't realize it, but it's his.
Oh, that's a Polaris.
That's the whole point.
Go get that.
I got all these motherfuckers to come meet me. I said, this is yours, this is yours. And I held it backwards. And then whenever they came, I flipped it this way. Like, there's no more. I told him to get the fucking, the lawnmower to pull him out. Fucking stuck.
Larry in the flesh.
Is he alive or am I tripping? Oh my god. Larry, you made it to fucking... Oh, he bit the fuck out of me. Larry, you're gonna fall, man.
Larry.
Hey! Hey, Kevin, run this story!
Typical. The new here, just doing my duties.
Wait a minute, before you do anything, this fucking thing's stuck.
Alright, you're gonna have to...
I'm not even sure what you do in this situation. I've never done this in my life.
I think he's pretty well strapped. You just run that side there.
You gotta be strapped. There's no way it's not strapped. I mean, look.
Shit ain't going